Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just going to be going over really quickly what's inside the iPhone 17. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just about to purchase the iPhone 17. And to simply put, the iPhone 17 just comes with the iPhone itself, which you see here. And you've also got the charging cable, which you see here. So this is a Type-C cable. Now you also have a user manual, which is located on the back here as well. But in addition to that, there is nothing else. Previously, iPhones used to provide the charging cube. So it is important to note that the charging cube is not included with the iPhone 17 models anymore. So you are going to need to bring your own charging cube. But even so, there are multiple different colors of the iPhone 17. There's a purple, blue, green, silver, and black version. What I have here is the black version. In addition to that, it's got a brighter display, and it's got a ceramic shield, and supposedly 3 times better scratch resistance. But overall, I'd say that this here is more durable. It's got more colors. The camera control is really neat just because it has a button here on the side now for cameras. But overall, I'd say that's pretty much it inside the box. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.